Let's get ready to rumble. Let's get ready to rumble.
Irish only 6 million. Russian 150 million.
Can't be touched, can't be stopped, can't be moved, can't be rocked, can't be shook. We hot. When down the ass, came to get cold, came to play life, came to get started, came to get right. Turn down the music, turn up the light.
Let's get ready to rumble. They got a nigga in the dice game. I'm feeling lucky, but the nigga's just a little bigger. You tryna fuck me on my cash, I'm a blast, nigga. You don't know, I gotta tell you like the last nigga. Gotta go, no need to rope for the trunk, I get him up. Left to right, my uppercut, I hit him up. I'm known to walk the streets on any block. I love my niggas, but I ain't putting down my block. The gunshots bang when I lose, nigga. And ooh, nigga, I'ma show you not to ever play a true nigga. Lay it down just to prove it. And fuck the rapping motherfucker, we can do it.
Can't be touched, can't be stopped, can't be moved, can't be rocked, can't be shook. We hot. When down the ass, came to get cold, came to play life, came to get started, came to get right. Turn down the music, turn up the light.
Let's get ready to rumble.
For all outcomes, I feel, but we are prepared for every
I wanna stay humble, but I have to talk because your guys talk too much.
Now I stuck to my ass, they're broke like JPO. Put 100 grand on every nigga head to play me. See, I'm cool with them Haitian mob niggas. To say side by side, my relay and rob niggas. The media be trying to make a nigga look bad. What's up with that? To my flick, next to Prince Pappy and Cat in Montana. I kill him with the grandma, I enhanced in the slammer.
Can't be touched, can't be stopped, can't be moved, can't be rocked, can't be shook. We hot. When down the ass, came to get cold, came to play life, came to get started, came to get right. Turn down the music, turn up the light.
Grab your Glocks when you see Tupac. Call the cops when you see Tupac. Who shot me, but your punks didn't finish. Now you're about to feel the wrath of a menace. Nigga, we hit 'em up. How we do it, keep it real, it's penitentiary steel. This ain't no freestyle battle. All you niggas getting killed with your mouths open. Trying to come up off of me, you in the clouds open. Smoking dope, it's like a Sherman. Niggas think they learn to fly, but they burn, motherfucker, you deserve to die. Talking about you getting money, but it's funny to me. All you niggas living bummy while you fucking with me. I'm a self-made millionaire, thug living out of prison, pistols in the air. Biggie, remember when I used to let you sleep on the couch and beg a bitch to let you sleep in the house? Now it's all about Versace, you copy my style. 5 shots couldn't drop me, I took it and smiled. Now I'm back to set the record straight. With my AK, I'm still a thug that you love to hate. Motherfucker, I hit him up.
Can't be touched, can't be stopped, can't be moved, can't be rocked, can't be shook. We hot. When down the ass, came to get cold, came to play life, came to get started, came to get right. Turn down the music, turn up the light.
Let's get ready to rumble.
I've been in every scenario you can be in, under the brightest nights in the entire world. I am a veteran, so I'm gonna go out here and do what I am here for.
He's tough like chicken. End of the year, he fight for the title. Crazy. Hey, you know guys, this is true. This is not trash talking.
Hey.